Cars are getting smarter, and so are the gadgets that make driving more fun, safe, and convenient. Whether you're looking for high-tech upgrades, road trip essentials, or just some cool accessories to impress your friends, we've got you covered. In this video, we're counting down 14 of the coolest car gadgets that every driver needs to check out. So let's get started. An epic combination. This device offers Qi wireless charging, is certified by Google Pixel, and features a fast and easy one-touch mechanism. You can choose to mount it in your car's CD slot or air vent. Your call keeps your phone charged and visible while you're driving by, securely attaching it to your car's air vent. It's effortless. No need to say more. This portable tire inflator provides quick inflation with a maximum pressure of 150 psi and a 9,000 milliamp hour battery, ensuring you can inflate tires without worrying about running out of power. With dual LCD displays, it shows both real-time and preset pressure and features 4 preset modes for different inflatables. The compact design includes a carrying case for easy storage, making it ideal for cars, bikes, and other vehicle tires. Say hello to a showroom shine with the SPTA cordless mini polisher. This compact powerhouse is perfect for polishing, sanding, and cleaning without the hassle of cords. Whether you're touching up your car, bike, or even headlights, its 12-volt battery power and easy-to-handle design make detailing a breeze. Plus, with multiple polishing and wool pads included, you've got everything you need to get that flawless finish. Small but mighty, this mini polisher is a must-have for anyone serious about their shine. This mini dash cam is a compact little buddy for your car that captures crisp 1080p video even at night. It's got GPS to track your location and speed, plus you can use voice commands for hands-free control, which is super convenient. With its free app, sharing your videos is a breeze. Some cool features include 24-hour parking mode, motion detection, and loop recording. And it can handle up to 512 gigabytes of storage. Plus, you can easily detach it to switch between cars, making it both powerful and portable. This sleek, all-metal magnetic car phone mount is designed for convenience and safety. It securely holds your phone with a quick one-handed mount and features 3 60-degree rotation for optimal viewing. Compatible with all phone models, even in cases, it keeps your device easily accessible on the dashboard, allowing you to drive safely and hands-free. Enjoy a secure and functional solution for all your driving needs. Keep your car clean and clutter-free with the non-slip Backseat Car Organizer and Kick Mat, designed for parents, commuters, and anyone who loves a tidy ride. This waterproof seat protector shields your leather or fabric from muddy little feet while giving you extra storage with its handy pockets. Stash toys, snacks, wipes, whatever you need, all while keeping your back seat looking fresh. No more scuffed up seats or mess on the go, just smart, simple organization for every drive. Ditch the cables and upgrade your drive with the 2025 wireless CarPlay Adapter. Plug it in once, and your iPhone connects automatically every time. No more fumbling with wires. Enjoy smooth, zero-lag performance, whether you're navigating, streaming music, or taking calls. Plus, with multi-user support, switching between drivers is effortless. Compatible with iOS 10 and up, this adapter makes every ride smarter and more convenient. The 3-in-1 steering wheel eating tray has got your back, literally. Whether you're a busy commuter, a road-tripping family, or just someone who loves a well-organized car, this multifunctional gadget is a game-changer. Clip it onto your steering wheel for a sturdy work table, use it in the back seat for a laptop desk, or stash your essentials in its built-in organizer. And the best part? It comes in a sleek blue that adds a pop of style to your ride. Say goodbye to messy car meals and hello to effortless productivity on the go. This is a cool new product that uses modular design to tackle problems at home, in our cars, and when we're out and about. With this tool, you can eliminate the hassle of searching for the right gear for your car's daily maintenance. It's got everything you need: Car washing, tire pumping, vacuuming, phone charging, and even a flashlight, all packed into one handy unit. No more messy trunk. This power module lets you relax while camping, traveling, or hanging out at home. It's an all-in-one wireless car toolkit that makes life a lot easier. Check out the 7-tour 10-inch ultra-slim underseat active-powered car truck subwoofer, your next best upgrade for car audio in 2024. This sleek subwoofer fits perfectly under your seat and packs a punch with powerful bass thanks to its built-in amplifier. The cast aluminum enclosure keeps things cool, so you can count on it to last. It comes with a cool spider speaker protector and a snazzy LED light ring that glows blue when you start the car, giving your ride an awesome vibe. Plus, you can easily control everything with the wired bass volume remote, gain, bass boost, and crossover controls, letting you tweak the sound just how you like it. Experience ultimate convenience with our all-in-one wireless car tool kit, which includes a vacuum cleaner, phone charger, inflator pump, wash gun, and portable lighting. The Fobo Tire 2 is an advanced tire pressure monitoring system that gives real-time data via Bluetooth, detecting leaks and alerting you to pressure issues. It transmits readings to an in-car unit and your smartphone, allowing for easy monitoring and custom pressure thresholds for each axle, all while functioning independently. Stay informed and prepared with Fobo Tire 2. You can pretty much power anything with the Blue TIEP 500 backup power station. Built to last, this power station features a robust 5,100-watt Life EP04 battery, providing up to 6,000 charge cycles and keeping your home powered for a day or two during outages. It's easy to use. Just plug it in and control it via an app. With a 2,000-watt pure sine wave AC inverter and up to 15 outlets, including a wireless charging pad, all your devices stay charged. And if you need a powerful cleaner, the 2,800-watt CoStar high-pressure car washer is a great option. Ever fumbled around your car looking for a tissue or a mask? Meet the premium leather tissue and mask holder, a sleek, practical upgrade for your ride. Designed to clip right onto your sun visor, this stylish organizer keeps tissues and masks within arm's reach, so you're never caught off guard. No more digging through the glove box or dealing with crumpled napkins, just a clean, organized, and effortlessly classy solution for daily drives. No more frozen fingers or endless scraping. This windshield cover is your winter lifesaver, blocking snow, ice, and frost before they even have a chance to stick. Built from heavy-duty 600D Oxford fabric, it's tough, waterproof, and designed to fit securely on cars, SUVs, and trucks. Just set it up in seconds and wake up to a clear windshield every single time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos, featuring the coolest gadgets.